Alright guys, what you're looking at here is a 1950s, possibly 1940s wind-up toy. Okay, it's all, the frame and everything is all metal. The seesaw and the stand that holds up the seesaw is some type of plastic. And I believe the characters are celluloid, however you say it. Okay, I'm not sure if that's plastic or celluloid, the seesaw, but it's not metal. Swing seat as well. I think, judging by the faces on the characters, you can easily tell it's vintage, and it's probably 1940s or 50s. Okay, the canopy on the roof is, see the roof is metal. There's the wind-up mechanism. There's absolutely no marking on this anywhere. No marking at all. Judging by the material it's made from, I'm guessing, and no marking, I'm guessing it's made in Japan, probably 1950s. Can't swear by that, but that's what I'm going with. I have not found any other one online that looks like it. Not one, anywhere. Show you how it works now. Sit tight a second. Watch this. How freaking cool is that? And it runs a long time. So I'm thinking of, like I said, the top is all messed up, it's ripped, and it's not actually mildew. It looks like mildew, but it's not. It's actually rust. Came through from the metal. I'm going to sand down the metal roof and just paint it red or some other color, and that'll be that. But I'm very impressed with this thing. Really, really happy with it. Like I said, it runs a long time. I turned that knob only 4 times. So that's what I got. Show you the back side. Characters are perfect. The seesaw and the swing are perfect. That's it, guys. Tell me what you think. Book 'em, Daniel.